This is St. Mary's Catholic Church or Sumohu. We've gotten to there right now. This is the church. Let me give you the name, the full name. For those of you that know this church, here is the gate. St. Mary's of the Immaculate Conception Parish or Sumohu. Now here is the main church building. Just watch these people did to this church. No matter where you fall on religion, you can't overestimate the importance of your local church, especially in the village. This is a part of the people's culture. Just watch all the way as far as the eyes can see. Watch how they ruined St. Mary's. Who would have thought in our own time that this church would be abandoned this way? This is what war can bring you. This is why our people should start cautioning our children for when they were little. They will discussing about war as if it's something to celebrate, as if it's something interesting. This is what it looks like. This is not real war. This is just limited criminal activities, and everyone has deserted their community. Such a busy place. Finished. Na support yeni na mere na osu. Kunu ha support ya mere na osu mogu. Ma yeni na mere na osu itokwa. Asimo ga-eru ezinụlọ unu. Ụmụ unu ga-anwụ n'ike. Unu niile ga-anwụ n'ike. Unu gawa unu aga alọta mana eke mana ore mana afọ mana nkwọ gaha dịrị unu na mma. Unu kọ ihe na arọ gaha epu. Unu ṅụọ mmiri ọ ga-enye unu nsogbu. Ụmụ unu niile ga-ala n'ihi. Efurọbara niile akwafuru n'obodo ọ dịrị adị n'isi unu niile. The bishops, none of you said anything. Even till now, most of you are still supporting the criminal responsible for this. Before Nnamdi Kanu sat up ESN, this was not like this. And those of you from Asia, don't worry, we'll soon get there. Thank you, my people.
Joke. They know you. You don't know. We are not here for a joke. They know you. You don't know them. They can see you. You cannot see them. They have already called themselves on the phone while we're coming, while we're grouping. They've made a lot of calls. They've made a lot of calls. And they'll be prepared for you if they have to. But 99.9% of them will not wait for us.
Amen.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So please, whatever your sector commanders tell you is what we are here for. And is what I am telling you. We are going to create that awareness to let them know that we know where they are.
These people don't go tire me for laugh. They want to create awareness so that they go believe, say, they know where they are. You don't understand that. Fear. You see, fear, they kill before death. Fear, nine they comot life before life go comot. Now, they want go combat these people, them gentle, butuzo, and go. Then they are scared. They can't tell themselves, say, maybe now their commandant don't they tell the corporals and so on, say. Make we begin to create awareness. Because they know us, we don't know them. They know where we dey, but we don't know where they dey. Fear don't grab them. Oh boy. So Nigerian soldiers and police, they fear this like this. Okay, now, see the most iberiberism one, foolish one, where they in talk. In talk say, make them, the police and the army, make them they create awareness, make it clear everywhere, make it loud. Say them know where them they. That's them know where them these people will be Biafra army they. Make them so that they go put fear in them. You see, fear they remove their lives. If Nami be them, I could do my own. See, they go send people, may they go buy for nothing. If you see as they buy them Nigeria army, if you see as they buy them for naught, especially if they catch you, you be Igbo, you be Yoruba, na straight for your head, oh, your life come out. If no be for restriction, I'll for show you one now. Make you understand. If they join them to go give your life for nothing. When you give your life finish, your family no go gain, benefit nothing, no gratuity, salary they no pay you well, nothing. Think.
A lot of noise from Ijele because he's in Imo State with some repentant Boko Haram, and because of that he claimed that he has arrived. Well, I love his courage anyway. I love his courage than some riffraffs that is commenting rubbish on my post. Commenting rubbish on my post, oh, with the fake account even. It shows how daft you are. Because if you are not so foolish, look at that Ojo. If you are not so foolish, you wouldn't have been hiding under fake account, commenting rubbish. Because you are so daft. That's why you are hiding under fake account to comment rubbish. You understand? Ijele gathered courage and he's doing whatever he's doing. With his real face, and I am doing whatever I am doing with my real face. I have never posted anything here without my face. That is a man for you. Obro ikreti nkeji we bro yin egeji we to ba gojo makina in under fake account. If obna ga to mmadu ojo, I got to del ojo. But men have at least claimed some vehicles they took to look for them. That is men. You understand? Operating on fake account to be na call you, na call rubbish. Just only your face alone. Show your face. Show your face. All the this thing you people are using to comment is fake account. You understand? Show your face. I am showing my face. Ijele showing his face and some other mpiampia saboteurs. Now waiting I say make I tell on. You see this John Ijele started. Ijele. This one where he started now. This one where he started recently. I am praying for you because Ijele, ask those who started this journey. Ask where they are today. So you see this journey. Oh my God. Mbose oge me. I swear. I am chọrọ igwe gị.